Hello friends, today we will discuss about the revolve operation. So, what is revolve operation? So, I have a drawing, you will see. See, if you want to this section revolve in your plate or workpiece. So, this object is created by revolve section. So, I have this one drawing. The dimension is 60 by 60. First of all, we drawing this one. So you will see the dimension is 20, 10. This one is also 10, 20, 10, 10 and 20. So in MasterCAM, we will create drawing. So wireframe, click line and multi-line. So first, give your dimension and lock. So this one is 20. Again the next dimension is 10. Again 10. This dimension also 20. Next is 10. Again 10 and this dimension also 20. Unlock this view and directly connected. Okay, now you will see in drawing the small radius are here. See, but first of all we create this arc. So these two arc radius is 6 and this arc radius is 16. So in MasterCAM, click on arc endpoint. Set your radius value like 6 and select your point, first point and second point. So now select your arc, create new, again first and second, give your radius 6. Now create new, I will set my radius and lock the dimension. So first click and second click and select your arc. Okay. Now I will delete these 3 lines. Now you will see the fillet value is 2 and the bigger fillet is radius 5. So in MasterCAM, fillets radius value is 2. This one and this one, again this one and this one. Now create new and radius value is 5. These 2 lines and these 2 lines and okay. So now our revolve section is ready. So first we set to origin. So in transform, select this object and move to origin, set center. Now in wireframe, again click on rectangle. I will give my dimension 60 by 60. Center. Okay, so now you will see our section is ready. So Alt 7 for isometric view. Now create 3D this boundary. So click on solid, extrude, select chain. Okay, give your height. So this distance is 20 and this one is 6. So the total distance is 26. So this dimension is, I will give 30 and okay. Now first we need to select machine. So click on machine, mill, default, click on this properties value, click on stock setup. Now all solid. Okay, so our stock is ready. Now for revolve operation, click on this arrow and click revolve. So first of all select your chain, your axis point, this one. So now select your tool. I will select first tool, no second tool, the third 3 diameter. Now in revolve parameters set your step value. Like I will set 1 and the convex cut Okay, so you will see revolve section means this one. So I will click on again parameter, and the concave section means inside. So okay, regenerate your operation, and now click on verify selected operation. So play this view. So you will see our revolve section is ready. If you want to smooth this view, so close this operation. Now again click on parameter. In revolve parameter, the step size is set minimum. I will set 0.3. Okay, regenerate your operation and again verify selected. Play. So I will set the speed fast. So our operation is finished. Now I will hide the wireframe view, hide glomon and axis also. So you will see this is our object. So again the all option are unhide, close this view. Now this is the revolve operation. After completion or after operation, our object is look like this one. See. So this is the revolve operation. Thank you.